Now it is up to companies to make their own decisions about requiring employees to be vaccinated. The Supreme Court has halted the federal vaccine mandate, but that decision doesn't just affect vaccines, but presidential powers for years to come. Starting with FDR and his New Deal, to President Bush's invasion of Iraq, to President Trump's border wall. The question of presidential power and overreach is nothing new. But this time, the Supreme Court has drawn a line.
Keep in mind that this Supreme Court, they're not a bunch of crazy anti-vaxxers. The Supreme Court's made very clear that all of the justices are fully vaccinated and boosted. But some of them recognize that there are some limits to what the federal government can do to meet this crisis.
The justices in the majority noting that even employees who work from home would still need to be vaccinated if they work for a company with 100 or more employees.
It was also noted by the Supreme Court that Congress looked at this in December of last year and specifically declined to give OSHA the authority to do this. So they're not necessarily saying the federal government can't make rules like this ever, no way, no how, but they've got to do it in the right fashion, and it would really help if they had congressional authorization.
So how can this affect future presidential authorizations? Raleigh attorney Josh Howard worked with the White House on Chief Justice Roberts and Justice Alito's nomination process. He says a perfect example is if a president tried to use emergency powers to create rules regarding climate change. This ruling sets a new precedent that would make that difficult.
What the Supreme Court has said is absent congressional authority, it's going to be very hard to demand that from Washington. For the average Joe, it means keep an eye on congressional elections because the president can't just do what he wants by fiat.
And remember, of course, we are a right-to-work state in North Carolina, so, you know, you still can be fired by a company or corporation, no matter what the size is in this state, if they choose to and you don't get vaccinated.
But it's going to be interesting to see down the line how this impacts future decisions.
Absolutely.